Welcome to Deco Rio Studio. Get ready to illuminate your home with 12 must-have luxurious statement lighting ideas for 2025. These designs blend bold aesthetics with sophisticated elegance, transforming any space into a stylish haven. From sculptural chandeliers to sleek LED installations, each concept is crafted to make a striking impact while enhancing ambience. Perfect for those seeking to elevate their interiors, join us as we showcase these stunning fixtures with inspiring visuals and practical tips. Let's light up your home in style and create spaces that shine with timeless luxury. Idea number 1. Sculptural brass chandelier. Imagine a dining room bathed in the warm glow of a sculptural brass chandelier, its organic, flowing arms resembling delicate branches. The polished metal catches the light, casting intricate shadows across a wooden table below. The fixture feels bold yet refined, blending modern artistry with timeless luxury. Suspended low, it creates an intimate ambience, perfect for elegant gatherings. The brass's soft sheen contrasts with neutral walls, adding a focal point that feels both opulent and understated. This statement piece elevates the room, making every meal feel like a sophisticated occasion. Idea number 2. Crystal Prism Cascade. Picture a grand foyer illuminated by a cascading crystal prism chandelier, its faceted elements refracting light into rainbow hues. The fixture's tiered design feels luxurious, with each crystal catching the light to create a sparkling, ethereal glow. Suspended from a high ceiling, it commands attention while maintaining elegance. The space feels airy and opulent, with the chandelier's brilliance enhancing marble floors below. This statement piece transforms the foyer into a welcoming, glamorous entry where light dances across surfaces, evoking a sense of timeless sophistication and modern grandeur. Idea number 3. Matte black geometric pendant. Envision a modern kitchen island lit by a trio of matte black geometric pendants, their angular shapes creating a striking silhouette. The soft, warm light spills downward, highlighting a sleek quartz countertop. The pendants feel bold and contemporary, their minimalist design adding a touch of quiet luxury. The matte finish contrasts with glossy cabinetry, grounding the space in sophisticated simplicity. This lighting choice transforms the kitchen into a stylish hub, where clean lines and understated elegance create an inviting atmosphere for cooking and gathering. Idea number 4. Oversized orb floor lamp. Imagine a cozy living room corner anchored by an oversized orb floor lamp, its frosted glass globe emitting a soft, diffused glow. The lamp's sleek brass base adds a touch of elegance, complementing a plush velvet sofa nearby. The space feels warm and inviting, with the orb's gentle light creating a serene ambience. This statement piece blends retro charm with modern luxury, transforming the corner into a stylish reading nook. The interplay of soft textures and glowing light elevates the room, making it a perfect retreat for relaxation. Idea number 5. LED wall art installation. Picture a minimalist bedroom with a sleek LED wall art installation, its linear design emitting a soft, ambient glow. The light traces abstract patterns across a textured plaster wall, creating a futuristic yet calming effect. The space feels sophisticated and serene, with the LED's cool tone contrasting warm wooden furniture. This innovative fixture doubles as art, adding a luxurious, high-tech vibe without clutter. The installation transforms the bedroom into a tranquil sanctuary, where modern design and subtle lighting craft an elegant, forward-thinking atmosphere. Idea number 6. Art Deco Sconce Pair. Envision a luxurious bathroom with a pair of Art Deco-inspired wall sconces, their gold frames and frosted glass shades casting a warm, glamorous light. Flanking a large mirror, the sconces add symmetry and elegance, enhancing a marble vanity below. The space feels opulent yet intimate, with the intricate detailing evoking 1920s sophistication. The soft glow highlights the room's textures, creating a spa-like ambience. These statement sconces transform the bathroom into a refined retreat, where timeless design and luxurious lighting elevate daily routines. Idea number 7. Woven Rattan Pendant. Imagine a bohemian-inspired dining nook lit by a large woven rattan pendant, its intricate basket-like design casting patterned shadows across a wooden table. The warm, golden light creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere, complementing linen cushions and ceramic dishware. The pendant feels organic yet luxurious, blending natural textures with modern elegance. This statement piece transforms the nook into a stylish, relaxed space for gatherings, where the interplay of light and shadow adds depth and warmth, evoking a sense of effortless sophistication. Idea number 8. Industrial Cage Chandelier. Picture a loft-style living room illuminated by an industrial cage chandelier, its exposed bulbs and black metal frame creating a bold, urban aesthetic. The warm Edison bulbs cast a soft glow, highlighting a leather sofa and concrete coffee table. The fixture feels rugged yet refined, blending raw materials with luxurious warmth. This statement piece transforms the room into a stylish, modern hub, where the interplay of metal and light adds character and sophistication, making it ideal for both casual lounging and elegant entertaining. Idea number 9. Murano Glass Table Lamp. Envision a sophisticated home office with a Murano-inspired glass table lamp, its swirled blue and white design glowing softly on a wooden desk. The lamp's artisan quality adds a touch of luxury, complementing a linen chair and minimalist decor. The space feels refined and inspiring, with the lamp's gentle light creating a focused yet calming ambience. This statement piece transforms the office into an elegant workspace, where the glass's unique texture and subtle glow elevate the room's aesthetic, blending craftsmanship with modern sophistication. Idea number 10. Floating Orb Cluster. Imagine a modern staircase lit by a cluster of floating glass orbs, each emitting a soft, warm light. Suspended at varying heights, the orbs create a dynamic, almost celestial effect, illuminating sleek metal railings below. The space feels futuristic and luxurious, with the orb's delicate glow enhancing the staircase's architectural beauty. This statement lighting transforms the area into a striking focal point, where light and movement craft an elegant, otherworldly ambience, making every ascent or descent feel like a journey through a stylish, luminous gallery. Idea number 11. Vintage brass floor arc. Picture a cozy reading nook with a vintage-inspired brass floor arc lamp, its elegant curve arching over a plush armchair. The warm, focused light illuminates a wooden side table with books, creating an inviting atmosphere. The lamp's polished finish adds a touch of luxury, contrasting soft linen cushions. The space feels intimate and sophisticated, blending retro charm with modern elegance. This statement piece transforms the nook into a stylish retreat, where the interplay of warm light and rich textures crafts a timeless ambience for quiet evenings. Idea number 12. Minimalist track lighting. Envision a sleek gallery-style hallway with minimalist track lighting, its adjustable black fixtures casting focused beams on framed artwork. The clean lines and matte finish feel modern and understated, enhancing the hallway's neutral walls and wooden floor. The space feels curated and luxurious, with the lighting creating a museum-like ambience that highlights each piece. This statement system transforms the hallway into a sophisticated passage, where precise illumination and minimalist design craft an elegant, contemporary aesthetic, making every walk a stylish journey through art and light. That's all the ideas for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas like this.